Wow, guys, look at this Remedy Entertainment, 12.73% up, so almost 13% up intraday. This is impressive. So why is this happening? So yeah, long story short, Alan Wake 2 is a massive success with the professional critics. The professional critics love the game, so it has now generally favorable Metascore critics of 36 critic reviews, 88 points. And if you go through, so yeah, they have so many good critics. So the professional press seems to love this game. So in the end, my friends, this is not a sell the news. This is actually a buy the news. This is actually a buy the news event. So sometimes it's always happening actually. Different to what people expect. So overall market, the overall American growth market, Nasdaq is down today, but actually the European stocks are doing quite good. Okay, I think it has something to do with the non-interest rate hikes by the ECB today. So they're not going to raise interest rates in Europe. So if this is something that interests you, but if you're investing, you should always, of course, keep this in mind. The whole interest rate discussion of the Federal Reserve or of the European Central Bank. So that's important. So actually, I wanted to make a video today about Paradox Interactive, since Paradox Interactive got their numbers today. But then, hey guys, then I saw this Remedy Entertainment 12.73% up. So I'm invested in the stock, and this is here no financial advice. This is for information entertainment purposes only. So since actually I wanted to buy more in September, I wanted to buy here more, we are up 32%, and that's pretty good in this market. So if we look at let's say at the max chart, this is the max chart. I have to say I like the chart. It's a beautiful chart. It's an extremely beautiful chart. So we had support here at 17 and then at 23. So in overall, you can say here is some nice trend line. This goes up. So I should put it now in trading view and also look for the Fibonacci retracement. I think I'm going to do this a little bit later. So overall, almost 300% up is Remedy Entertainment, this great company from Finland. So here you see they write some news about Alan Wake. So unfortunately, this game is only coming out on PC on Epic Game Store, so it's not coming out on Steam. So that's unfortunately, because this means I'm not buying this game immediately. I'm actually waiting until I can play it on Steam. So that's one of my philosophies, just because I want to have my games all on one launcher. But guys, I am hyped. I'm hyped actually for this game. So yeah, I'm invested. So and yet now the question I have to ask myself, do I buy more now, or do I buy only when it's maybe coming back to the 24 euros? Because this seems to be a little bit more, the 24, 25 euros seems to be more the normal price. 27 seems to be a little, let's say, I'm not saying an overreaction to the upside, but it's definitely a buy the news of the good reviews event. So on the other hand, when the numbers come out, and I already made a video about the numbers, so I already thought the numbers are not too bad here. If we look at the income statement, 22 was of course not that good. Revenue 2.4% down. Operating net income, let's say net income was 190% down. This was terrible, and net profit margin was 120% down. So here we see net income down, but the revenue of course still up. So this was overall not so good. So, and if we want to find out what are the numbers, the next numbers, then keep it in your calendar, my friends. So the January-September numbers are going to come on October the 31st. So keep this in mind. And we're also going to have the webcast. So, all right, I would say more or less that's all. So I'm pretty hyped by Remedy Entertainment right now, so I'm not going to sell. Actually, I'm waiting until the stock comes again a little bit back, and then I think about buying some more. So if you're interested in the stock, check out one of my other videos I made about Remedy, so you find it on my channel. So, and then I have to talk very shortly about Paradox. Here we go. Paradox Interactive, actually after the numbers, 2.86% up. So that's pretty cool. that's pretty cool. So of course the overall chart is not that good, but hey, pretty cool to see the numbers up. Those are not the new numbers. The new numbers came out today. So with this, I'm leaving it here. Yeah, and also if you wanna see some gaming company events, if you wanna see when numbers come out, my direct analysis, then also follow me on X, former Twitter, and there you can see a lot of posts where I talk about gaming companies. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.